Taurus. Sunday is the kind of day your soul was genuinely designed for. Venus is in complete harmony with Sunday's slow, rich, deeply nourishing energy today, and the result is a day that asks nothing of you except to be fully present in your own beautiful life. Today is Sunday, June 21st, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. There is nowhere to be, nothing to prove, and no version of yourself you need to perform today whatsoever. Just you, your comfort, your senses, and the simple, profound pleasure of Sunday well lived from start to finish. In your career, today is a genuine and complete rest from professional thinking entirely. Your mind has processed enormous amounts this week, and it deserves total Sunday recovery without interruption. If a work idea arrives uninvited, acknowledge it, set it aside, and return fully to the present moment in front of you. Financially, today a quiet and reassuring sense of financial stability settles around you naturally. Not because every problem is solved, but because Sunday gives genuine perspective. Use this calmer vantage point to make one small, practical financial decision today. Cancel a subscription you no longer use, or move a small amount into savings deliberately. In love, Taurus, today is your most naturally romantic day of the entire week. Venus on Sunday creates a combination of beauty, pleasure, sensuality, and deep emotional warmth that is completely irresistible for your sign specifically. If you are in a relationship, make today entirely about the two of you without distraction. No screens, no obligations, no outside world intruding. If you are single, Sunday energy for Taurus is deeply magnetic. Someone in your immediate world is thinking about you more than you currently realize. Health for Taurus today centers on deep sensory nourishment above all else. Cook something beautiful from scratch today, if at all possible. The act of preparing a good meal is genuinely therapeutic for Taurus at a level that goes far beyond simple nutrition. It is grounding, creative, and deeply satisfying to soul. Also spend time outside today, even briefly, since Taurus carries tension in the neck and throat, and fresh air releases it more effectively than any other remedy available. Spiritual message for Taurus on June 21st. Everything you've been quietly and patiently building is growing beneath the surface right now in ways you cannot yet fully see. The roots go deeper than you currently know. The foundation is stronger than it feels in this moment. Today, trust the slow, beautiful process you are genuinely part of. Not everything that is real is immediately visible. Not everything that is growing makes obvious noise. Your season of bloom is coming, and it will be truly extraordinary when it arrives. Comment Taurus below and tell me what you are grateful for this week. Hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people daily. And subscribe with the bell on for tomorrow's reading. See you then. Take care.